Miss Jean, sa ngayon ba, what is the usual timeline sa pag-process ng NCLEX nowadays? Siguro from the moment na someone avail your services hanggang sa makakuha sila ng ATT hanggang sa makapag-exam, sabihin natin that person is mabilis siyang magbigay ng mga requirements niya. Ganun.
Okay, so we have three states that we are highly recommending: Texas, Illinois, and New York. So for Texas Board of Nursing, the processing time is about like 5 to 6 months. So it depends on how fast you comply with the requirements. First step is we do the credential evaluation in CGFNS. So that is the part where there is a delay because the nurse has to submit, or we can assist the nurses to process the PRC, and also the schools if they have graduated in Davao, Manila, or Cebu. But the timeline for the credential evaluation in CGFNS is kind of slow because there are a lot of professionals. You know, CGFNS has been processing the all the nurses all over the world. So you can just imagine how many countries in the world, and they are the aside from CGFNS, there is another one, the Joseph Ancilian, ARES, and IERF. But usually we use CGFNS because during visa screen, we don't have to submit all the requirements. So there is a delay on that process, especially if there is a problem with the signature because all the authorized signatories all over the world, CGFNS has a list of that. So if it does not jibe with the signature, the one who signed your document and the one who has in their list, there will be an RFA problem. That's what they call a request for assistance. So it will take time for CGFNS even just to send the form to the school, and then when the school does not send it back right away, so there is a delay there. Sometimes we have like 4 to 6 months to 7 months, even just for the CGFNS alone. So if there is so if the process is just smooth in that step, then we could probably get you uh, process in like 5 to 6 months time. The same is true with the Illinois Board of Nursing. But with New York Board of Nursing, before like 3 years or 4 years ago, we could get your approval in New York for like 1 to 2 months. But not right now, because there are a lot of nurses who has processed their NCLEX application through New York Board of Nursing, it will take like 8 to 9 months, and sometimes even for a year, because also uh, the, the New York Board of Nursing has this credential. They are the one who verifies your credentials. So there is a comparative department there in New York Board. So, and also with the whole Lefora, you know, Lefora, we have 145,000 nurses there, and most of them right now are processing for New York Board of Nursing. So that's why the bulk of applications is in New York is just too much that comparative department has a hard time. I hope they will hire more evaluators so that we can get them approved like in 3 or 4 months time.